Hi, I'm RWoodruff with BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to look at a 2022 brand new Jayco 29S. Love this floor plan. The Jayco product's been around for quite a while. Great backing. They're using the Ford chassis. This is the new V8 7.3 6-speed Ford chassis. Love this coach. A lot of storage throughout, outside TV, push button awning, full body paint with decals, rear kitchen for the outside, great storage, great place to put the fridge or the soda pop, the beer, what have you, keep people from running in and out. Love this coach. Great tow package on the back. It's already wired, 7-pin. All of our, on the driver's side, we've got all of our working area stuff, our plumbing bay, our generator, our propane, a little bit of storage on this side, but most of your storage is going to be on the other side. Easy to get to the dumps. This has the on-demand tankless water heater in it. Love this water heater. Almost put it in my rig. It's really expensive. That's why I didn't. I went with a cheap one like everybody else. Jayco, they went with the more expensive one. We've got the Onan generator. Let's go inside, do a quick overview on the inside. It's just as pretty inside as it is on the outside. So here we are on the inside. We've got a front queen drop-down bed. It's all electric. Push a button, it'll come down. Great place for a child or an adult to sleep in. And the other really great thing is if they don't get up on time, you push the button, take it up to the roof. It's like a panini press. I tell you, it's awesome. Ford chassis with the new Ford steering wheel, the new Ford dash. I really do like it. It looks really elegant, clean, sweet, neat. And of course, it's with all of the new technology. Bigger backup screen, side cameras, automatic hydraulic leveling. You know, there's a lot of stuff to talk about in this coach. As we work our way back, we've got a nice sofa, makes into a bed. Booth dinette makes into a bed. So you got the front bed, the sofa bed, the booth bed, and the bed and back. You can sleep a lot of people in here. Love where the TV's placed. It's not up front like everybody did for so many years. It's back here. It's very comfortable to watch from the sofa. As we work our way back, we've got a nice kitchen. Love the new stoves. We've got a little night light on here. Very nice. We've got the oven. We've got the convection here, or not the convection, it's a regular microwave, not a convection because it does have the oven. You typically get one or the other. We've got solar up on the roof. We've got the inverter. We've got the propane electric refrigerator. Great for dry camping. Doesn't need electricity. Well, 12 volt, but only a little bit. Propane will keep it cold. Nice pantry here. And the bathroom is actually a really good sized bathroom. That seems like a big shower to me. And I'm not a little guy. So, love it. The toilet's actually placed in such a way that it's comfortable to use. You don't have your knees pointing into a corner or up against a wall. A lot of thought went into it. Love the barn door look with this bathroom door. You know, it's pretty nice. I like their hardware. I could do that in my house. That'd be really neat. Back here in the bedroom, we've got a nice queen walk-around bed. You can get it on both sides of it. It's a little bit tighter on the back side, but there is room to walk back here. Hanging closet, a bank of 4 drawers. They didn't miss a thing here. Storage behind the TV. Flat panel TV doesn't need to be in the cabinet. It can be out in front, and that gives you another area for storage because you never have enough storage. 40 foot, 50 foot, it doesn't matter. It's not enough storage. I'm Roger with BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. This was a quick overview of a 22 Jayco 29S Alante. Have a great day. Thanks.